Hey guys, if you wanna set up the lock method on the Motorola One Zoom, you have to open the settings and now click on the security and location. And as you can see, there's device security section, and under this is screen lock, so click on it. And now there's swipe, pattern, pin, password. You have to go with your favorite. I will go with the pattern. And now we have to draw our pattern. Click next and confirm it by drawing again, and just press on the confirm, and as you can see, this is how it looks on this device. So now when we just lock our screen and we are going to unlock, we have to input our pattern. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and of course comments below.